best oil extractors save time, keep hands clean, and pull every last drop without crawling under a car. So here are the 6 that actually perform when the oil's hot and the clock's ticking. If changing oil still means ramps, spills, and swearing, well, stick around. These extractors turn a dreaded chore into a clean 10-minute ritual. Let's start at 6 and work our way up to the one that felt like a workshop upgrade the second it clicked. 6. ExtreSpo FE500. The ExtreSpo FE500 is a 500cc fluid syringe with transparent body and dual hoses, marketed for cars, motorcycles, lawnmowers, and even marine engines. And that versatility claim checks out in light-duty use, like topping off gear oil or pulling brake fluid from a reservoir. The transparency is nice. Watching the fluid color change as air clears is reassuring, and the compact form fits where big canisters won't. But when pulling thicker oil, that 500cc capacity means lots of strokes, and hand fatigue becomes real faster than expected. For occasional spot jobs, it's handy. For full oil changes, it's simply the wrong tool. Features include multi-vehicle compatibility, efficient transfer for transmission oil, power steering, antifreeze, gear oil, and brake fluid, plus clear tubing that makes it easy to see bubbles purge out while keeping mess to a minimum. In practice, the narrow tubing sneaks past tight obstructions, think diff fill ports or power steering reservoirs, without dislodging. And the syringe body makes controlled injection just as straightforward as extraction. Still, the tiny reservoir is the limiting factor. Plan on repeated cycles for anything over a cup of fluid. During testing, extracting small amounts of ATF through the dipstick tube went cleanly. Prime the tip, pull a full 500cc, dump, repeat, and it's satisfying in a precision tool kind of way. But on hot engine oil, the suction effort spikes and heat soak into the plunger makes holding pressure uncomfortable after a few minutes. 5. DURATECH 500ml extraction and fill pump. Stepping up in both size and execution, the DURATECH 500ml extractor injector feels tougher in the hand, with a double seal ring that genuinely amps up suction power. Pulls feel smooth, and the airtight seal keeps oil from sneaking past the plunger. The kit is generous. 2 12-inch hard extensions, a 27.6-inch silicone hose, spare sealing rings, metal connector, anti-drip rubber adapter, and even an alternate cocker adapter. On the bench and underhood, those accessories matter. You can reach 50.4 inches combined, which is wild for a small syringe setup. In use, the DURATECH shines at those awkward, just a bit more situations, like pulling an extra half pint of ATF to hit the right hot level, or draining a power steering reservoir before a fluid refresh. The transparent body with clear scaling makes measurement right there, no guessing, no beaker shuffle. You know, it's the kind of kit that instantly solves annoying jobs. Now, it's not perfect. That double seal makes the pull decidedly stiff, great for suction, less great on the wrist after the 7th stroke, and at 500 milliliters. Capacity still limits it to targeted tasks. This isn't replacing a canister extractor for engine oil. The extensions click together nicely, but the more connections in the chain, the more potential for tiny ingress leaks if not snugged correctly. Hand tight is fine, but check each joint. Durability and fitment impressed. PP construction felt solid. The self-locking copper connector holds the tube like a vise, and the anti-drip adapter actually works when hopping between reservoirs. 4 Uncle's 6L Manual Oil Extractor. This is the first real oil change canister in the countdown, a 6-liter manual vacuum unit designed for automotive and marine jobs where a sump pull needs to be quick and contained. Pump the handle to generate strong suction, and it evacuates steadily. The upgraded aluminum pressure release plug is a thoughtful durability touch that resists wear versus plastic reliefs. Marked sidewalls help track volume removed, simple, effective, and surprisingly useful when estimating what's still in the pan. The hose kit is comprehensive. A 59-inch transparent main hose for seeing flow, and 3 41-inch extension tubes to reach deep dipstick passages or remote sumps, plus a 19-inch brake bleeding hose for, well, brake bleeding days. The extra-wide base keeps the canister planted when tugging on hoses, and there's a spout for controlled pouring into waste containers, less tilt juggling, fewer messes. In practice, a warm engine oil pull on a 4-cylinder drains in a reasonable time frame with rhythmic pumping. No compressor needed, just patience and a steady hand. For boats and jet skis with awkward access, the long transparent run makes it obvious when the stream starts and when it's tapering, which avoids that anxious "am I done" guesswork. The unit's portability is a big deal. Take it to the job rather than dragging vehicles over a drain pan. The caveats are familiar to manual extractors. Once vacuum drops, performance tails off, and a few extra strokes are required to maintain flow, especially with thicker oil or colder ambient temperatures. 3. 4 Uncle's 6.5-liter oil extractor, pneumatic manual. Now we're into hybrid territory, manual when needed, pneumatic when speed matters. The 4 Uncle's 6.5-liter unit can plug into shop air for rapid evacuation or switch to hand operation if away from a compressor. That flexibility is the killer feature. It's like having 2 tools in one, and the 6.5-liter capacity suits most vehicles in a single go. Pneumatic mode rips. Faster extraction speeds make quick work of warm engine oil and even stubborn gear oil once flow begins, and then manual mode is there for top-offs or a quiet garage session. The design language mirrors the brand's thoughtful touches: clear capacity planning, a hose kit tailored for long reach, and controls that feel intuitive after the first job. It's also a great problem solver for stuck or fragile drain plugs. Pull from the dipstick, finish cleanly, and address the plug later without downtime. For mixed fleets, cars, trucks, small machinery, the 6.5-liter volume and dual-mode operation reduce bottlenecks during service days. It's the kind of tool that, once it's there, becomes the default. Reliability and support notes are encouraging. Coverage and accessories are available, and the platform's reputation centers around leak-resistant design and solid performance in both modes. For routine use, pneumatic mode is the time saver. Manual mode demands a bit more effort but keeps the schedule moving when airlines are busy. If the goal is versatility without stepping up to very large shop units, this is a sweet spot. Efficient, adaptable, and ready for everything from engine oil to coolant and PS fluid. 2. EWK patented 6.5-liter oil extractor pneumatic manual. EWK's 6.5-liter pneumatic manual extractor has earned a following for speed and finesse. Quoted extraction rates around 1.6 liters per minute with air mean a typical 4-cylinder drains in about 5 minutes when the oil's properly warm. That performance shows up in real use. Flow stabilizes quickly, and the canister fills predictably, with less babysitting than many budget rivals. The ergonomics are dialed, controls are easy to learn, and the system manages hot oil without drama, with transparent sections aiding visual confirmation of progress. The 6.5-liter capacity is the right number for most modern engines, minimizing stops to empty, and it's just as competent on transmission and differential fluids when set up with the correct tube. There's one trade-off some users call out: the lack of a reverse purge valve for clean dumping, which means tilting and pouring rather than pushing fluid out under pressure. Not a deal breaker, but on long service days, that a purge button would be nice thought pops up. Still, for the core mission, fast, clean extractions, it's a standout. The air mode advantage is obvious for shops and serious DIYers, and manual mode remains practical for quieter or off-grid work. With a strong accessory ecosystem and consistent performance claims echoed across listings, EWK's unit feels like a refined tool that's optimized for speed without sacrificing control. If efficiency is the North Star, this extractor sits near the top, quick in pneumatic mode, smooth in manual, and sized for single-pass drains on most platforms. 1. OEMTOOLS 24389. The OEMTOOLS 24389 takes the crown because it nails the fundamentals for everyday users. A 5.3-liter manual extractor that's compact, consistent, and versatile across engine oil, transmission fluid, coolant, power steering, gear oil, and more. It's the one that felt like an instant upgrade. Prime it, pull vacuum, and watch it hum along at a pace that makes a routine oil change clean and predictable. A 5.3-liter capacity might look smaller on paper than the 6 to 6.5-liter crowd, but in practice, it hits a sweet balance of maneuverability and usefulness. Most four-cylinder engines fit comfortably, and the canister's form factor makes storage and handling easier in tight garages. The design has become something of a reference point: simple operation, steady suction, and hoses that stay put through the job. What pushed it to the top wasn't a single flashy feature, but the day-to-day reliability. Fewer fiddly moments, a relief that works as expected, and flow that doesn't need constant repumping once the system is set. For coolant and PS work, it transitions neatly. And the clear scale helps log what came out so refill targets are on point. Versatility is where it quietly dominates, covering engine oil pulls, ATF service via dipstick, small gearboxes, and coolant reservoirs with the same calm demeanor. You know, it's the tool that doesn't ask for attention. It just empties what's in front of it and waits for the next task. That temperament wins over time. Final thoughts. Here's the simple path. Use the compact syringes for targeted jobs. Step into a 6-liter manual when doing full oil changes without air, and jump to the dual-mode 6.5-liter units for speed when a compressor's on hand. For a single pick that fits most garages, the OEMTools 24389 strikes the best balance of performance, size, and ease. For outright speed with air, the EWK 6.5-liter is the one that earns back minutes every service day.